Yeah, for a long time, ilang years before nasundan yung work niyo together?
3 years now. Since 2011, 12, 13, 14. Less than 3 years, more than 2 years.
How excited you are na makatrabaho ulit si Eric? Parang sabi ng iba, parang matagal na wala, di ba? Kaano ka excited?
Mas nangingibabaw yung kaba tsaka yung takot at the moment. Pero the moment we step into the camera, in front of the camera, siguro magbabago yung pakiramdam ko. Kasi wala pa kami nagagawa, but I'm just happy na nabigyan kami ng chance and trust na magbalik tambalan. Kasi maraming naghantay, maraming nasabik, and now we're giving it to them.
Parang bakit merong pahinga between the two of you ni Eric? Kumbaga after a long time, bago nasundan yung movie nyo, bago nasundan yung teleserye ninyo.
Kailangan namin yung growth apart, and buti na lang binigay din sa amin ng management yung chance to grow apart, and now kung whatever we learned from our past projects together, magagamit namin dito. So, yun.
Ano yung secret nyo? Kumbaga, in spite na, kumbaga, sa tagal na pinagsamahan ninyo, ano yung sekreto nyo being together na kinakagat pa rin kayo ng tao?
It's the friendship. Yung friendship yun na walang halo ng trabaho namin yung showbiz. It's the friendship that really lasts. I mean, whatever we've been through, away, bate, okay kami.
Tell us something about the movie. Ano yung magiging role mo bali dito sa movie ninyo ni Eric?
Si Leonard, ano siya, sort of, well, he's a scientist. So,
Weird. Parang may pagka-weird na kaunti.
Siyempre, while growing, scientist ka, siyempre matalino ka ganyan, so outcast ka, and then when you grow older, definitely mas magiging mayaman ka kasi because you're a scientist. So yun yung so far yun siya.
Ano yung pinagkaiba nito sa ibang character na ginawa mo?
Ito, kasi the last time I did romantic was also with Eric, yung I Do. So ang tagal na rin kasi lahat ng pelikula ko either barkada film or family film or comedy film. So now it's going to be a romantic film, pure romantic film. So I'm excited.
Na-miss mo, kung may choice ka ba, better for you to yung mga barkada movies na ganun, or yung parang medyo may ka-love team na katulad ni Eric? Ano yung mas komportable kang trabaho?
Siguro mas fulfilling if I can jump from one genre to another kasi hindi ako nabobored. So now, after doing this, siguro something new again. But for now, concentrate talaga ako dito sa pelikula namin.
First time to work with Director Loris?
Second, the first time was Sa'yo Lamang.
How was kumbaga working with Director Loris for the second time
dapat attentive ka, dapat tutok ka sa ginagawa mo because ganun siya eh. She's focused in what she's doing, so dapat ganun ka din. Ang pangit naman kung kami pa yung naglalaro, di ba? When it happened kasi nasa Dubai kami, so lahat kami we just hope and pray that everything will be okay for Kuya Vong. He gets better very very soon kasi ang dami-daming fans na naghahantay sa kanya. So yun lang, just maging ano lang siya, be safe and be better, and we're praying for them.
Nung nabalitaan mo, what will be your reaction?
Akala ko joke siya, so yun, na-confirm. So we're just praying for him.
Well, you mentioned you're in Dubai. May isa pang chismis na lumabas sa Dubai. Napansin mo bang sweetness ni Luis at saka ni Angel? Napag-usapan ba among sa artistas kung sino kayo ang pupunta sa kasal? O kung sino kayong invited?
Hindi, nung time kasi na yun, nandun kami, sabi namin, may nawala bang months apart? Kasi parang wala eh. I mean, there's nothing wrong kasi they've been together before and now they're back together. Parang we're happy for them. Nakakatuwa lang
Pero
sila.
nakita mo ba yung sweetness silang dalawa?
Oo, tinanong ko nga sila eh. Anong eksena tong kinukunan ninyo? Seryoso.
Anong example? Gano'n ka-sweet? Parang, like what? What were they doing?
Yun, di ba sa Instagram, they're kissing, tapos they're together sa flight. So, yun, parang, ano sila, perfect couple. Yun.
Pero hindi as well, nabanggit lang kasi nag-hint si Chris na mukhang magpapakasal na. Wala namang nabanggit sa inyo.
Si
Wala
Tita
namang...
Chris?
Oo.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Wala naman nabanggit sa inyo na Luis at saka si Angel or
Na magpapakasal na raw.
magpapakasal na raw sila nitong taon.
Sila daw, sila? Ay, hindi ko alam. But if they do, I'm happy for them. Congrats. Yun.
Okay? Alright, well,
Thank you.
congrats to you
Thank you,
also.
thank you.